I'm excited, you guys. I have something in my eye. You guys, I am so excited about this product. I have something in my eye. Okay, I think I'm better now. Nope, I'm not. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a Sephora haul. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and yeah, let's jump into the video. Okay, so I bought this stuff a long time ago, you guys, and I haven't been able to really play with a lot of these products because I've been waiting to film this video. If you see like a really defined white line, it's because I put some of this dry shampoo stuff in my hair, and we're just gonna go with it right now. We're just gonna go with it. Okay, so we went to Sephora when I was in Kansas, and I picked up a bunch of goodies that I've been wanting to try out for so long. I'm finally gonna get to it. First thing that I have here is the Inculist, the caffeine eye cream. I've seen so many people talk about this over on TikTok that I had to pick it up. I believe this is probably going to be like a morning eye cream because it's going to help take away like the puffiness and everything. On the back here it says to refrigerate for 30 minutes prior to use to help further reduce the under eye puffiness. Now I don't really have under eye puffiness. I have under eye bags that is completely different, but I still had to get it. It looks like this. This brand is not that expensive, so I will try it out and I will tell you guys if I like it or if I don't. Next thing that we have here is the Pharmacy Honey Halo Hydrating Moisturizer. I have something in my eye. Okay, I think I'm better now. Nope, I'm not. So this Pharmacy moisturizer, I have used this, you guys. I have been using this a lot and I can tell you right now, I love it. The formula is like a thick consistency, but it's amazing. I already hit the bottom because I've used so much of this. I like it for the winter months. It's amazing. It's a really nice thick moisturizer that just really hydrates your skin. I like to use this at nighttime because it's on the thicker side, but I have used it under my makeup too, and I like both. 2 thumbs up. Next thing that I have here is the Super Goop, and this is the matte sunscreen SPF 40. So it looks like this. I thought that this is what everyone was using, and I don't think it is. It kind of, I don't know, it's different. It's very different. I haven't used it enough to really have an opinion on it, but yeah, I have tried it though. I have tried this. I think I got the wrong one. I think there was one that was more, this is more of a, like a primer consistency, and then they have one that's more of like a lotion or a moisturizer one, and I thought I was getting that and I got this instead, so that's my fault. You guys, I am so excited about this product right here. Again, I've seen so many people over on TikTok talk about this and I've been wanting it forever, and I finally got it. It's the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Dew Drops. And I'm sure you guys have all probably heard about this, and I'm sure you guys have probably already tried it. Glow Recipe has some really nice products. I have something in my eye. Okay, I think it's out now. I think it's my mascara. I think the mascara is like clumping and flaking and falling into my eyes, but I'm not sure. So this has a pump on it. Glow Recipe has some really nice products. I have so much junk on my hands and arms, you guys. So people put this on before they do their makeup, and it just gives like a nice shine to it. I'm excited, you guys. I am so excited about this product. I've also seen people use this at nighttime too. I'm going to have to do a little bit more research and see when is the best time to use this, like at nighttime or before you do your makeup. So Sephora, when I was there, you guys, they gave me like this whole pack of stuff. Like, so many samples. I mean, like literally, like so much. They even gave me some Bum Bum cream, like in this little packet. I thought it was so cute. They have some unseen sunscreen. I think this is the one that I wanted to get instead of the other one, but I will try this and see. She just gave it to me and I don't even know why. And then I got these two Dior products. The first one is the Lip Glow Oil, and this is in the shade 001. And then I got the Dior Pink, what is this? The Lip Glow, wait, what is it? The Lip Glow Oil, and then this is like the lipstick, and this is in the shade 001 Pink. I only have the boxes because I ended up giving them to my daughter. And can you believe that? I think they're all gone. Ooh, I want to keep them boxes because I really like the shades. So I gave them to her because she really wanted to have them and use them, so why not? Okay, next thing that I got here is the Tatcha. This is the Liquid Skin Canvas. So they have like the balm kind of primer, and then they have the liquid one. I've been wanting to try this for a long time, but I didn't want to invest into a big size because I didn't know if I was going to like it or not. So when I saw that they had travel sizes, I was like, girl, give me it. So let's put some on the back of my hand and rub it in. I'm not going to be able to really tell anything because it's the back of my hand, but I'm excited. I'm excited. I haven't used this one. I have used the Tatcha, the pomade. I call it the pomade, the balm. I don't even know what you get what I'm saying. I've used that one. I liked it, but e.l.f. also came out with one, and I would go with e.l.f. Next thing that I got here is the Bum Bum cream. This is only the travel size because I just saw it when I was leaving. You guys, okay. So I bought this before, and I think I did an empties video, and this was in it. At first, I did not like the scent. I was like, I cannot believe that people went that crazy over this scent. But then, after using it over and over, because, I mean, I bought it, I'm gonna use it up, right? After using it, I started to always gravitate towards the Bum Bum cream, and it was because I really like the smell. It's just crazy. Like at first I didn't like it, and then it like grew on me where I always would reach for the Bum Bum cream. So I picked myself up a mini one. I was gonna say I was gonna throw that in my purse, but my purse is way too tiny for that, and it's winter time right now, so I cannot put that in my car because it will probably freeze. Next thing that we have here is the Glow Recipe. This is the Watermelon Glow PHA plus BHA Pore Tight Toner. I have pores on my face, and we need to tighten them bad boys up. So I got the travel size one again because when I was leaving, this is when I saw it. I believe this is the travel one. This may not be the travel one. This might be the full size, but I feel like this is not the full size. I don't know. But it's just a toner that you use. I've seen a lot of people on TikTok again talk about this, and I was like, we gotta get it. So we picked it up. And then I got the Makeup by Mario, and this is his, what is this? I got mine in the shade Light Medium. It's the bronzer. I believe this is like the glow bronzer. So I've seen a lot of people talk about this, and I went to a couple Sephoras and I could not find it because where I live, the Sephoras around here are very small. So when I was in Kansas, that was a really big Sephora, and I found it and I got it. So this is the light medium. It has, so it's a cream bronzer. How did I not remember that? Yes, it's a cream bronzer. I have his stick, contour stick. I love it. It's amazing. So when he came out with this, I wanted it so bad. Oh, this is going to be super creamy, you guys. Super creamy. and just beautiful. I can't wait to play with that. I feel like this is going to be a really nice product for the summertime. We'll have to try it out and see. The last two products that I have are skincare products. So I got the Olaplex #3. This is the Repair and Strengthen Your Hair. I got this before when I lived in Wisconsin. I bought this and I really liked what it did to my hair, so I picked this one up because I want to try it again. And then when I was leaving, I saw this product from Away, and this is their hair oil. It looks like this, and it's just a little travel one. Cute little one. I believe this is the travel one. I always say travel one and then like watch, it won't even be travel. But I wanted to try their hair oil because I really like their products. Their products are amazing. So yeah, let's try some. Ooh, very oily. I don't know what I was expecting. Oh, I love the smell. Love the smell. So I like to just put this stuff in the bottom, like the ends of my hair. So that's what we're gonna do. The problem with my hair extensions is that I have to brush my hair like 10 times throughout the day. Usually I don't do that with my normal hair, but with these extensions, they get like ratty after a while if you do not brush them. So yeah, constantly brushing them. So that is everything that I got from Sephora. I am excited about all of my new products. You guys, I haven't really went shopping and bought things lately. I've been kind of not buying stuff because I wanted to do a big declutter and then kind of add back to my collection things that I've been wanting to try or things that I know I loved. So yeah, but it's a new year now, so you never know what's gonna happen. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little Sephora haul, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!